Hi there, and welcome to Sugar Hiccups. Today is part 2 of my altered book. If you remember last time I did the cover with this super cute rickrack, I realized the edges were kind of rough, so I wanted to use this washi tape and sort of cap the ends, and I really like it. I like how the black and white check looks. So I was pleased with that, and it's very smooth. So today what we're going to do is go through the book and find pages to glue together and pages to tear out. Now, this being my first altered book, it's sort of a hit or miss. I don't know exactly how many pages I'll take out or glue together, so I'll probably be more liberal with gluing than taking out. Glue I'm going to use is this fabric glue. So I'm going to take the glue and I'm just going to go along the edge of the bottom and the top and smooth it out. And I put little pieces of paper towel in between, so if the glue spills out, it's not going to stick on the other pages. So now that I'm ready to tear some pages, I'm going to use the ruler, and I just put it right up against, and it tears super easy. I thought this was going to be more difficult, but this seems to be working really well. Now I think I'll go ahead and speed this video up so you know that I'm gluing and tearing, and there isn't any true format for it. I'm just sort of going with what feels good. Here we go. I've got all my pages glued that I want glued and torn out. This page sort of bent a little. I may tear that out. Here you can see the pages that are missing. And there's a little bit of glue tabs in between, and I'm just separating those. It was actually quite fun. Kind of meditative. My favorite part was tearing the pages out, putting that ruler up against it, and everything tore so easy. That was nice. So, here are some of the books and papers I will be using. I have the Country Diary of an Edwardian Lady. It has all the months of the year. Here's October, so I'll probably pull something out from there. This is the seasons and the Make It book. I think there's a really nice Halloween section in the Make It book that I'll use. And here are my papers. Here is Authentique. I'll be using this. I will be using the Happy Halloween, Joyful Halloween by Recollections. Here are my papers. I've already cut them down to size, and I've added some extras like some doilies, and oh, there's my makeup book and my seasons book. I have a little bit of vintage paper in here and my scrap paper along with some printables. I also have the green and orange and black. That's just from Hobby Lobby. They're just single sheets. You get like 4 for $1. So since I already cut these down and they're ready for size, I can kind of go through these and see. I put them in a pseudo order that I may use, but I may not stay in order. These are just some of the things I was thinking when I was cutting them and putting them down. I'm going to use a glue stick. This will be nice. So sit back and we'll put this in a little bit of fast forward and you can see the colors and the papers I've chosen. And that is about all I'm going to do for today. It was so much fun putting all the paper and gluing them down and putting my colors together. So here's a little cutout I took from Grandinrod. It's of a little upside down witch that you can purchase and put at your front door or wherever you wish. But I liked it so much I cut it out and I'm putting it in my altered book. And there we go. That was so much fun, putting all the colors together and the papers and tearing papers out and putting them in. This has really been a fun project. Thank you guys for watching Sugar Hiccups. I hope you enjoyed this altered book part 2, and please stay tuned. I'm going to do another part 3, and that's where I will dress up the pages a little bit more, maybe add some pockets and some ephemera, and see what we can do with this altered book. This has been so much fun. Thank you so much, and we will see you in part 3. Bye-bye.